Elvis is a good dog to give me time with if you wanted me to be convinced that dogs are chill.
I didn't get any videos of the inside of the coffee shop, but it was very cute. It was really small, but they had some bar stools that you could look out the window, and then they had like some other indoor seating options.
Okay. Do you want to show the people your coffee on the other side of the bridge here? So I want to get a shot of the stuff over that way. What is it?
It's a iced caramel latte.
Golly, you see that bird?
No.
You didn't see that massive vulture that I almost ran over?
No, it was an elephant.
I guess that's a good excuse. But seriously, it was like inches away from the car. It was a big turkey vulture. I'm gonna have a real outro. I think I'm just gonna fizzle out to nothing. Horses. All right, bye Elvis.